on September 25, 2018. A cargo ship with 18 people aboard was found navigating through a sudden dense fog in the Pacific Ocean at approximately 3:42 UTC. The following video records the conversation between rescue personnel and the captain before mysteriously vanishing moments after details were exchanged. The rescue team was initially alerted after reports of the vessel experiencing unusual weather conditions, including a rapid onset of thick fog. Radio communications began shortly before the ship's location was pinpointed. During the brief exchange, the captain of the cargo ship reported total loss of visibility, with the ship drifting aimlessly through the fog. Mayday! 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 This is the MV Horizon Voyager. MV Horizon Voyager. MV Horizon Voyager. We are experiencing a sudden loss of visibility due to dense fog. Our position is 45 degrees, 16.74 minutes north, 123 degrees, 29.196 minutes west, approximately 30 miles off the coast of Oregon. We are drifting and unable to navigate safely. We have 18 crew members aboard and require immediate assistance. Over. This is the U.S. Coast Guard responding to your Mayday. We copy your position at 45 degrees, 16.74 minutes north, 123 degrees, 29.116 minutes west, approximately 30 miles off the coast of Oregon. Stand by. Rescue units are en route. Maintain your position and prepare for evacuation. Over. Roger, Coast Guard. We are maintaining our position as instructed. Visibility is near zero due to dense fog, and we're unable to navigate. Our engine remains operational, and we have 18 crew aboard. Requesting an update on the ETA for rescue units. Over. MV Horizon Voyager, we copy. Rescue units are approximately 20 minutes out. Maintain position and continue to monitor this channel for updates. Over. This is MV Horizon Voyager. We copy, but we're losing control. The fog is getting worse and we can't see anything. Absolutely nothing. Our last known heading was north, but we've been drifting for hours. We're running low on fuel and taking on water. We need help immediately. Over. MV Horizon Voyager, we understand the situation. Stay calm, we're working to locate you. Hold your position and keep your radio on. Do you have any signaling devices like flares or emergency lights? Provide any details you can about your surroundings. Over. We've already deployed all flares and emergency lights, but they've burned out. The fog's too thick, we can't see anything. We have no sense of direction and are still drifting. We're taking on water and can't maintain control much longer. Please advise. Over. MV Horizon Voyager, we copy your distress. Rescue teams are en route. Stay where you are and do not attempt to navigate. Keep your radio on for further updates. If you have any sound devices, such as a horn, use it to help us locate you. Over. MV Horizon Voyager, we hear your horn but are still unable to pinpoint your location. Please sound the horn again at regular intervals to help us get a better fix. We're continuing the search, but visibility is severely limited. Over. MV Horizon Voyager, we heard your horn again, but we are still unable to locate your position. The fog is severely limiting our search efforts. Please continue sounding the horn at regular intervals to assist with pinpointing your location. We're still searching the area. Over. We sounded the horn again, and still unable to locate it. We're running out of time here. The fog is getting worse. We can't see anything. We're taking on water. We're running low on fuel. The engine's starting to sputter, and we're losing power. MV Horizon Voyager, we understand your situation. We are actively searching in the area, but visibility remains extremely limited due to the fog. Please continue sounding the horn at regular intervals or use any other signaling methods available to assist in locating your position. Over. You don't understand. Fog is choking us. We can see anything, and we're fast. MV Horizon Voyager. immediately. Over.
Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is MV Horizon.
MV Horizon Voyager, this is the Coast Guard. We've been searching for 2 days. Please confirm your position. Are you still afloat? We need your exact location to assist you. Over.
Water ability is EAS available. Rescue agents member ability is EAS.
Miss Horizon Voyager, your transmission is cutting out. Please repeat your position. Over.
And so, the story of the MV Horizon Voyager ends not with answers, but with silence. On September 25th, 2018, 18 lives were lost when the ship vanished into a shroud of dense fog in the Pacific Ocean, just miles off the Oregon coast. Despite extensive search efforts by the U.S. Coast Guard and international maritime authorities, the vessel was never found, and its fate remains one of the sea's enduring mysteries. The names of those aboard are now etched into the annals of maritime history, a poignant reminder of the bravery and sacrifice of those who work the world's oceans. Among them was Captain Adam Wagner, a seasoned mariner dedicated to his crew and vessel. Alongside him were engineers, officers, seamen, and stewards, men who spent their lives ensuring the movement of goods across vast and unforgiving waters. Tonight we honor these men not just as victims of a tragedy, but as individuals whose courage in the face of an unimaginable situation should never be forgotten.